Festive days in Indonesia are always enlivened with unique traditions that bring communities together in an atmosphere filled with joy and camaraderie. One of the most anticipated activities is traditional competitions that involve various fun and challenging games. The image above shows an example of a common event held during festive celebrations, where participants must tackle a challenge while maintaining balance over a pool or water area. This game usually involves poles or bamboo structures equipped with ropes and a line of prizes hanging above. Participants try their best to reach the prizes using their courage, agility, and balance. The challenge lies in staying on the rope or pole while attempting to grab a prize without falling into the water. Spectators cheer on the participants, creating a lively and laughter-filled atmosphere. Competitions like this not only serve as entertainment, but also carry deeper philosophical values. The challenges and fun in these games teach us teamwork, perseverance, and the drive to keep trying even when facing obstacles. Festive days in Indonesia, such as Independence Day, Eid al-Fitr, or other local celebrations, are the perfect time to preserve these traditional games. Beyond just recreation, these activities strengthen community bonds and reinforce the cultural identity of the nation. By participating in and watching these competitions, we are reminded of the importance of preserving traditions and appreciating the hard work and communal spirit that define Indonesia. The excitement and joy of these traditional competitions always leave fond memories for everyone involved. For the younger generation, these games also serve as a fun learning experience, introducing them to tradition and fostering a love for local culture.